Hi everyone, I'm Suman here. Vanakkam.
Hello, welcome, assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
How are you guys?
How are you? எல்லாரும் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? நான் ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கோம். We are very happy today.
We're very happy, yes.
Today is number 14th day.
14th day.
Yeah, after gym we are here to talk with you something. So I'm going to talk. நான் இன்னைக்கு என்ன விஷயங்கள் பேச போறோம்னா நண்பா, first thing 2-3 minutes நம்ம ஒரு அட்வைஸ் ஹெல்த் அட்வைஸ் பண்ணுறோம். அதுக்கப்புறம் கொஞ்சம் ஃபன்னாக ரொம்ப விஷயங்கள் பேசலாம் அப்படின்னு. Do you understand? No? Right. My dear, today I just want to talk with you something. என்ன விஷயம் அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்க, நம்ம எக்ஸசைஸ் பண்ணும்போது, if you are doing something exercise, always make you happy.
Exactly.
நீங்கள் எப்போவுமே ஹாப்பியாக இருக்கும்போது yourself ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கலி நீங்கள் ரொம்ப விஷயங்கள் நல்லா பண்ணலாம். இது எல்லாருக்குமே தெரிஞ்ச ஒரு விஷயம். சேம் திங் ஒர்க் அவுட் ரொம்ப பண்ணலாம். ஆல்வேஸ் மேக் யூ ஹாப்பி whenever you work, whenever you are eating food, whenever you talk with the people. So make them also more beautiful.
Because
right?
when you do something you enjoy and
Yes.
you know something you love doing, it automatically makes you feel good.
Yes.
Makes you feel better. That's simple as that.
Simple.
You know,
Yeah.
there's no greater things to that.
Yes. So I feel so happy because of last 14 days I am doing the exercise, the gym,
Yes.
transformation. Oh my God, today, oh my God, I really love
If
it.
you
I
compare
feel it.
this today's day with the day one,
Oh my
please
God.
share your experience with the audience, please.
The first day,
Let them know.
okay, the first day, I did for 2.5 hours, but it's very hard to do something to that. So then again, step by step, you get the motivational and many things now. So today again, I stretch my leg nicely.
Today you were surprised seeing your stretch, huh?
Oh wow. Oh my God, I touched that
So
again.
this is how it is, you know, simple steps, little simple steps
Yeah.
will make you grow more.
I got the packs and
So-
something. I already coming to
That's
the
how
these
it is,
things.
you know.
Yes. So இந்த வீடியோவில் வந்து சம்டைம் ஸ்டமக் தெரியுற மாதிரி இருக்கும். இட்ஸ் நாட் லைக் தட். நாங்கள் பெலிட் இப்போ கட்டும்போது ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கலாகவே மேலே கொஞ்சம் தெரியுற மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். பட் ஸ்டமக் எல்லாமே உள்ளே போச்சுங்க. Within 14 days you made me.
It's not a big secret, you know, it's like how you bring in the best out of people. लोगों में तुम उनका एक्सट्रीम पोटेंशियल कैसे लाते हो, उनको कैसे सिखाते हो, it's very important. Because without motivation he cannot do anything unless and until he is self-motivated, you know. But if people are not self-motivated, you need some other factor to motivate the people. In this scenario, I am here to motivate him as much as I can, because at this stage now he is fully self-motivated. There is no push, nothing, because whatever I say he does it. So that's how you develop the self-motivation.
Passion.
Okay, so rule number 1, always try to self-motivate yourself and then go on this journey, because it's only you versus you. There is no other people coming in front of you, you know. It's always you versus you. So that's how it is.
That's how it is. Okay Rehan, at the same time நண்பா, கரெக்டான டைமுக்கு சாப்பிடுங்க, கரெக்டான இதுக்கு வந்து தூங்குங்க, நல்ல நேரத்தில் வந்து எல்லாரோட நல்ல அன்பாக பேசுங்க, பழகுங்க. நீங்கள் வந்து நம்ம சேனலுக்கு வந்து கண்டிப்பாக சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள்.
Please do subscribe our channel and like and comment.
Like and comment.
Your comments are really good actually. We were going through some of the comments and they were like, mashallah, very good.
Very good comments.
So,
oh my God.
My goodness, people are loving it, people are liking it, people want to hear more out of this,
So
more out
some people give the kisses to us.
kisses as well, and they express their feelings. They're like, we love you guys.
We love
And
you.
we really appreciate, guys.
Yeah.
You know, guys, we really appreciate your love and
Yeah.
your support. So keep supporting us, keep loving us, and
Yeah.
we love you back. You know.
Yes. Thank you so much, guys. I just want to ask you something. You met some girls in your life. Okay, you met some girls in your life. Okay, some girls. Maybe you have many girlfriends before. You have a girlfriend
No, I don't have any girlfriend.
before.
Before, yes.
What kind of things you happy with them, what kind of things you are not happy with them. So who is motivated you, something, what kind of motivated you are good, and what kind of discourage is you have slowed down, what they did to you.
Yeah, it was like, many factors. Some girls were like, great, you got this potential, you're nice, you should push your limits. I'm like, fine, I was super motivated, and doing all that things into practice, that's what made me one day self-motivated. Because I don't look forward for motivation from other sources, because it's all inbuilt in me, which I really want to push into Suman as well.
Yeah.
So which is doing really well. So it's always that, always grasp the positivity, guys. Don't look down upon each other. Don't feel that she is not good, or she is not giving you freedom or space. It's nothing like that. You just focus on yourself, give each other space,
focus,
give each
everyone,
other freedom,
everyone.
and just try to self-motivate yourself, because the more motivation you get in, that's it. That's good for your growth and longevity, right?
Yeah, that's
What about you, man? You tell something about your life experiences, man.
My life experiences, normally I just want to say about something, friendship or something. So, I'm not talking about that for the bigger things right now. That is the time is there. But so normally, I'm just want to commonly I want to say, it's a boy or girl. It's a boy or girl. If everyone has a career. Even the girl also want to do something. So boy doesn't want to stop them.
Correct.
They also want to achieve in the world. They want to do something what they want. So he should help him. Help
her, yes.
Same time, she also has the freedom. Same time, if the boy, she has ambition. So maybe boy have ambition, they are trying. It means immediately 1 or 2 times try is never gonna success.
Correct.
Success will come.
Keep trying.
So success will come when he is something here for down. The girl should be encouraged.
Correct.
Normally, when the girl is the wife or girlfriend is maybe discouraged, who that man is really love her, that man, even for example, one man is there, one man is love, one girl is too much. If that girl is discourage him, he's going to affect it more thing.
Yeah.
Am I right?
It is like a scientific thing, guys.
Because mentally,
if you go in past,
அதுதான் ராஜா என்னன்னு சொன்னா, ஒரு பொண்ணோ பையனோ வந்து லவ் பண்ணும்போது, ஒரு பொண்ணுக்கு வந்து பையன் வந்து அவனோட கரியருக்கு என்னென்ன தேவையோ அதில் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணணும், பையனுக்கும் வந்து பொண்ணு வந்து ஹெல்ப் பண்ணணும். ஸோ எப்படி பண்ணணும்னு சொன்னால், அவங்கள வந்து என்கரேஜ் பண்ணணும், டிஸ்கரேஜ் பண்ணாமல் அவங்களுக்கு என்னென்ன தேவை, அவங்க எப்படி இருக்கணும். சம்டைம் வந்து ஒரு விஷயங்கள் நல்லா வந்துட்டு இருக்கும்போது சம்டைம் ஃபெயில் ஆகலாம், கீழே போகலாம். அதை டிஸ்கரேஜ் பண்ணக்கூடாது, என்கரேஜ் பண்ணணும். யூ கேன் டூ இட். சம்டைம்
one important thing, one very, very important thing, guys. If your relationship isn't working at all, you tried 100 times, you tried 1,000 times,
worst.
It's all right, guys. Move on. Give each other time. Let each other grow. Just move on and just don't drag the relationship. You can just end the things on the positive note.
Yeah.
Because even he needs to grow and even she needs to grow. So why not, move forward and just for the best of both.
Yeah.
You just move forward and just pray for each other. That's what really important, guys. Because if you just keep dragging the things are just gonna go in negative. And if the negative things come into your relationship, trust me, guys, this life is finished. So please don't let your life finish. This is one life, and just say yes to life and growth and prosperity. It is very important. If things are not working out, it's good to say,
don't fear. It's nothing. Whenever you say no, I can understand your feels.
You got my point?
I got your point too. I understand your expression. Maybe you one place you got more happy, one place you got more affected. Right?
Because don't let yourself go down, guys. Because be it any relationship, if the relationship is dragging you down, that means the relationship
that partner is not suitable for you.
Not meant for you. That path is not meant for you. Truly.
Yes.
So you can move forward with a good note,
Because
Just
1 or 2
for
days,
each other's
maybe
best
1
thing,
month
you
or
know?
2 months or 3 months maybe is very hard thing.
Yeah.
But
Trust
after
me,
that,
yes, you guys are gonna.
you are going to the next step.
Yes,
You will achieve your
it's
target.
better for both, you know,
Better for
both
both-
parties.
both
It's
parties,
better for both
yeah.
parties because
But-
each and every one of us deserve to
And
grow.
then
you
one
know?
thing,
they deserve
if-
the best.
Yes, and then one thing, if you don't like anyone, your partner or girlfriend or wife, don't hurt them.
Yes, just end it up on a
Don't
good
hurt
note.
them.
That's
Don't
all,
hurt
right?
them.
Never
Wish
hurt them, guys.
Wish them to, okay, நம்ம கூட இருந்தாங்க இவ்வளோ நாளும், நம்ம நல்லா பார்த்துக்கிட்டாங்க, நம்மளுக்கு சமைச்சு கொடுத்தாங்க, நம்மளோட அன்பா இருந்தாங்க.
No,
ஸோ
that's
உங்களுக்கு
the
எந்த
reality.
ப்ராப்ளமுமே
That's the
இல்லாம
reality, because-
ஹாப்பியா விடுங்க. Do you understand?
Because like one point of time, she was your life.
Yeah.
You guys were meant for each other. You were life. Together you had good memories, right?
Yeah.
So cherish those memories, but don't drag each other down. That's important.
That's
you know.
Yeah.
Just wish each other the best of the happiness in the future, and just move forward, guys. That's the only thing. Just appreciate your relationship, be it friends, be it parents, or be it your someone close to you. So just appreciate those memories, those feelings, those moments, and just do the best for yourself. Right? That's the only thing, man.
That's only thing,
So,
sweetheart. So
Today it was good, man. Good day at the gym as well. you know?
today is really
Today it
good
was
day
like a
because
total-
we share
total
something, personal things,
focus.
something the good things, and
Yeah.
till tomorrow we are going to talk about many
Because
things.
every day we are like challenging our limits,
things.
man.
Yeah.
That's the beauty of this journey.
Yeah.
Every day is like a new workout. Every day is like something different. Even he's started to grow and he's starting to feel the process and he's enjoying the process. That's the most important thing. And
You know, one thing we discussed something.
good.
You know, I got one story. You know, in the USA, one hotel long time ago, there is one murder is happening. So anyone doesn't know who is the murder person. Still,
Oh my God.
Still now. Okay.
till date, huh?
Till date. Okay. People are inquiring, but in my knowledge, okay, in my knowledge, I can understand who is a murderer. Okay, so tomorrow I want to discuss with this
We
people.
will bring this topic again tomorrow maybe, and
tomorrow
we will reveal.
yeah, tomorrow we
who the
reveal
person
about
is.
that thing. That's something enjoy. Something we will talk some funny things in front of you guys, and we love you all. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel. We are so hungry now. We are going to eat some dinner now.
Let's go and let's feed our muscles.
And please share our நண்பிகளே, தங்கங்களே, செல்லங்களே, நம்ம சேனலை வந்து சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். நாங்கள் உங்கள்கிட்ட ரொம்ப விஷயங்கள் பேசணும். எனக்கு உங்களை விட்டு யார் இருக்கா பேசுகிறதுக்கு, உங்க கூட ரொம்ப அட்டாச்சாக இருக்கிறதுல எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது. ஸோ தங்கங்களே, நம்ம சேனலை வந்து சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணி உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா ஷேர் பண்ணி விடுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். ரொம்ப பேர் நம்ம சேனலில் வீடியோஸ் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்குறாங்க. அந்த வீடியோஸ் எல்லாம் பாருங்கள். அதுக்கு உங்களால் முடிஞ்ச ஆதரவுகளை கொடுங்க. அண்ட் தேங்க்ஸ் நண்பா. எகெயின் நாளைக்கு ரொம்ப ஜாலியாக வந்து பேசலாம், ரொம்ப விஷயங்கள் பேசலாம் நண்பா. And again, take care, and I love you all. Bye-bye.
Take care, guys. Take care of yourself.